Hi everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make it so when you turn pages on the Kindle it looks a lot better. When you first get a Kindle, by default the setting for page turning always makes it look like this. This this page turning option where the screen goes like black can be a little bit annoying, so I'm going to teach you how to counter this. Step 1 is you click at the top, go to settings, and then click all settings. Then click on reading options, and then where it says page refresh, refresh the display with every page turn. Click on the on rectangle, and then it will turn it off. Go back, and now when you turn the page, it will look like this and not have the screen turned black for a second. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing. Bye.